Third quarter, midget division for the Summer League of Barangay Alog ay Christmas League of Barangay Alog. Last quarter, huli Budoy to Jimel Humadjaw, 3 points.
14-15 Davao in Hapilan Dimasa
Pumihit
Janel nagpapagaw Janel Fortuno good rebound by Jim pinasa kay Budoy pinasakay uli hindi makuha oras 3 minutes and 15 seconds and final quarter
Adem Barsitarian
uli Jimel to Lawrence for 2 points. No good. Rebound by minutes and 50 seconds. With the shoot.
Sugan
Davao with Hapilan Musa. GM for 2 points. No good rebound by Coley to Lawrence to Jimel for 3 points. No good down by Janel. Ano to?
Mandirigma
Warning Janel.
Christmas League of Barangay Alog, Salcedo Eastern Samar 2025. Direktro ni Budoy Balinya.
Sikat ito. No good. Rebound by John Vincent. John Vincent ang bibiling ipapasahan. Walay na papasahan.
Dodol
Unsportsmanship by Nico. Ano foul? Budoy nag-drive. Budoy for 2 points. No good. Rebound by Coley for Lawrence. No good. Rebound by JM for 2 good. 14-17. Namangit Hapilan kahit tulo.
lamang na GM.
Oras. 2
17
minutes remaining for the fourth quarter. No good.
Budoy, dala ka na, Budoy! Dala ka
Budoy
na!
nag-drive.
Sige na!
Budoy for 2 good. Good for 2 points by Budoy. Huli ng pipiling papasahan. 5 minutes to shoot. 4 minutes to shoot. No good.
Wala rin! Atay! Dala ka na, sige na!
For 3 points. No good. Rebound by Lawrence. By John Vincent. John Vincent ang sabay. Pinasa kay Putoy. Putoy ng 3 points. No good.
Dala ka na, dala ka! Dala ka na yung mga pinalo ko!
GM nag-drive. GM for 2 points. Good.
Score 14-21.
Hapilan.
Hapilan nabaw sila ng GM. Oras
1 minute and 10 seconds left for now. Last and final quarter. Janel nag-drive. Janel for 2. No good. Rebound by Coley to GM.
Budoy, kuha na rin! Kuha na!
GM pinasa kay John Vincent. John Vincent na rin pinasa kay Pogi. Nag-drive. Waray pinang 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, 0. At the score, Saksahan 14, Hapilan 21.
Tawag ka na GM.
At ang winner, Hapilan